esukuru ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College igego kwarigania ase intake ya January eyu ebwata chikosi ao bunabono Agricultural and Environment Studies, Mechanical and Automotive Engineering, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning, Welding and Fabrication na wigo ase ensema ya Building and Civil Engineering nkwegeli bale Plumbing, Masonry, Carpentry and Joinery, Building Technology, Civil Engineering na wigo Water Engineering ase ensema ya Computing and Informatics nkwegeli bale ICT Operator, ICT Technician, Computer Packages, Cyber Security na wigo na Network System Administration ase ensema ya Electrical and Electronic Engineering nkwegeli bale Electrical Installation na wigo Electrical Engineering ase ensema ya Cosmetology nkwegeli bale Hairdressing wigo mbabwate Fashion Design ase Hospitality and Tourism nkwegeli bale Food Production yani Cookery na wigo Food and Beverage Production.
Asa Maria Tengoro James Barari Nyakundi principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College eye gotoka Alimongoni, Kitutu Masaba North Sub-County, Kitutu Masaba Constituency, Nyamira County. Abana baino bali ba college school ya class 8 gose form 4 batagiye universities acha teyo babere isiko ekiagera bone gase Kitutu Masaba ndobwate chikose zicheme kono cy'ububundi cyonsi. Abana ngwakana bali kibese ne serikali wetera the government scholarship mkwaye gubali chiloni cyogo soma wetera help higher education loans board ne kibese cyo mwana nkwaye wale kiri kitokoroka out of pocket ekyo mwana gotumia kumenye school urendagera na gwakane se nyomba komenya egento kende abana nkwaye gubali chi constituency bursaries and even county government bursaries ekyo applications chirororo naba bunge unabono mu bungo Kitutu Masaba constituency bwana honorable Clive Gisairo we are committed sana aso support abana bagocha Kitutu Masaba egende getangania tabiri mwana ndo kwense gocha Kitutu Masaba we bursary in full inta abana baito January nitekinega ndereta abana bali bakoso school January mwakaribishwe ndogenderete na intake na application tinchigenderete
asamange nabo okubatalira ase school yiga kose obakirisi ni gutrasa kiramba cyabo 0743480999 kose 0782490068.
Morogo bombia mwancho morire krea butukireta ekeyamo igore Chinsa Ikomi cyabo no morogoba ritskeri gari ya Jumatatu tariki 15 mutinyi 12 mwako gigabwe kiri bubere 2025 twagusogeira nonsi ya soto bwati tokoro Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi asenchira yo bwenye anamono ritskeri gari ya Jumatatu ngititko togo chake Ekeonga na mangana yogo ichania na boigo ayo konyegeri enkoro weekend ya rengentambe nigo emebasokano ao yabetege kwenekigwa anye imena isiko yorogongo rwa gusinche ngoro kwa Catherine Nyaboga Vanessa Nyaboke kuraso muno abo imanyerio Mike Wis kuri studio kabere na yorogongo nyakwane kyabuna kibichechi na marengo ikirachira senchira eriyo bekrano ikaranso ke obena intugoika omwero na tugo chakane ngana yogo ichania nigo muichano monene ogenda tokobwa tanse ase kinyero kyarangenyo egwodi ya nyamaiya eyemagega yo mubasokano mubibwe para oyokorekanito obotko bogo kiera rero ase Chinsa mocha chabera ase pare nena ekorwa Kisumu gocho moschobo songo masakana yo oirirete amakweli y'abantu 10 yomo korengana ni chamate chichasireti abamwabo awabete kirori asoko bwatani wa kwenyangi yo musubati Irene Kemuntu Korengana ne amate ya irini kemuntu oyo okorete nyangi yaye nigo aereire buna abantu batano kurwase amate yaye gati yabo tatu mwabo mwabo kasini yaye anti yaye nigo bari gati yabari basireti amagimabo asebono etasini kya Getembe litkoria rero yatarira chiamate echo imeye kerenyo iri gusanga nabarabu nabo igo kumanya igati yaria abeireka ose igati yaria abeteka gwateka
Aileen Kemuto o musubati oyo renge gokore nyangi ari ase county ya Kakamega nabe etwa bangete nyangi yaito nyare ko bachitariki 14 omotenyo 12 eyitu anyarite ko bato konye bangera ase ngaki entambe igo tokaba to kwarigania abaibuli baito na bagancherana nga mbabe bagoikerana ase nyangi eyo ekero yaigete chitariki 13 Marogoba nkagoka sana korora abaibuli bane amo n'abanto b'ekanisa ya Rangenyo bekwaya gocha ase omochione eri tokanyara gochenga amo tokabera amo tokarara amo mambi tokaboka buya tokaragera amo togasoka tokagenda ekanisa ekero twagenda ekanisa shughuli ikaendelea tukaunganishwa. Tulipomaliza ikafika jioni saa 10 enyangi omojega w'enyangi twabwate ukanyara koba gokoera elio bakanyara koba ng'ankoira na bale ekero bairanete bagoika ensemo ya Chabera bakaba bakonyora omobasoka n'omobe oyo onyarete koba gogo tu affect sana bune familia ya Kebaso oyo ore tata na boigo lea oyo ore mama kero togocha kaiga twabanyora twagoka na baibuli ba nyarire koba abasemis mono asa amagimaito iga kero tware kobarora nabo tware koba no mogoko mono lakini ekero bono twaigwete ase omonto oyo mochorete simi akaborie mokamo muromi ntogose namaete nambe eyo are gwakera gakamotebie nambe ininye maete akamako moteinga abaiga banyorero mobasoka no mobe bwepara nabo iga bange banyarire koba bagosiria obogima nari eri toimogete tokarigie taxi ka bagegotoreta ase obwango tokagenda baka enyagetari ya Oyugis agwase twanyorete abancho baito banyarire koba bakorara bune familia tosireti yanko yane kuruko yaro twasiririe anti yane kuruko Jeni twasiririe cousin yane kuruko Esther kuruko Ikonge nabo igo twasiririe mama oyuolelea Kebaso nabo igo Richard Kebaso manyene gaki nabo tole na magomba manene nabo tole na mayanda nabo igo abana kwaya abu barenge amana barabwo bagasiria amagima abo babere boka nabo batigarete
togendete korigirira omubasukano oyo omokonyi bw'omugavana ase kaunti ya Nyamira omoske James Ondisho Gesami nigo nere aika imeye kerenyo ase amateyo yasireti abancho babo eriokoba omoyo nabo igo kobaikanya chingaki echiga chiobokendu Gesami nigarira yogocha gosira amateyo nabo igo oburia abantereba kwa maiso ane muno chingaki echiga chiemeyega Yesu guko chingaki bakobori goria abantu gochia chinsobo gotse gochia amasabo
Mbia muno ina chaiga ngomurai deputy governor ya Nyamira no muchumbo mukoro bwe orogongoro koremia abantu baito ikiare accident yakorekanite Jabera yairita abantu anga Ikomi nabo abutai abantu abake turaikaranse nyumba ng'abarai ntuje koremia abantu baminzonga makuri na makoro lakini nabo tokole mani nende koranga mokongu kibabwate turabakonye esoko inime vile yekera, this is a very costly event. Lakini ajira ngako wala pledge my assistance ndanyare kuruese esama ese family age. Igo na chama mina ko na Idris Jones pi. I think yo nenseme mucho yo montigaleti elinde bomanye ko uniform ngindu kitoranyara ko bakonya kurue county na kurue se personal nge contribution ya December kuru mutinyo mokong na January Nairobi tuarchi town tuache Christmas ka lakini sengenjo chipara chabeire chigali chabuchire echipara chabeire chingote toko genda roro tokeanie movement kiara mutinyo December no mutinyo January no mutinyo mobe sana kurukare lakini bono yabeire wasi kisengenjo tuabuchire yere Christmas yestore no nyino yotaito sporting kaiga atutomire gende kiara bono kibere sukali twanyore Christmas ibaga tugo lose lives on the road kina tebyo emeji asinyo yabete igoro yabete aiwe ya Kisumu nebwata mariogo abanyakatari mbararoro wisala assist kunwagiro tebanga nge serikali yote gutambe speed nerembe sana no kunywa marua na kuosaleta manganaya n'abantu baito kigali cyabugire njera na kitotakeze na kinatebeire nga bibaga tokuri na kigali kuru naro bigoja gusi totomaka bese irinde mutinye nemebe sano yo December no January tokeani traveling iriyegere ki accent nga tokeani traveling ki accent ko na isikira wantu mbaye para bangi. That is what I really would like to say. Yeah.
Mwancho murigiria togendrete kurigiria imibasikono yepara anemono ase angabantu 30 basiriria magimabo gwitira imibasikono yepara ngichi gwikibere cyabeire chigweta ibarasa ekorigereria ogwikeraniwa kwoboene ibarasa ya NCAJ niyo yarure birengerero byabo anemono byoko kyanya imibasikono yepara iyo yamentekanire amatukabwangoiga anemono chinga kichiga chimejega Yesu guku okona magaye geikaro n'ababwatani bensemo yobosombi gose sector yobosombi muna chebino monene omoske Martha Kome niga kwanere bitambukiro barachigwe mukya eriko kyania emibasikaniyo yo asebo iga kwanere amachiko barachikobeka ase chipara chinga kichiga chimega Yesu guku.
We want to prioritize joint enforcement and visibility across the country and especially in high-risk corridors to handle traffic matters instantly during the festive season. What we want to assure Kenyans is we do not want to cut short their festivity. They will be handled expeditiously and they will be able to proceed to their destinations. Those who will require legal representation will be accorded an opportunity and encouraged to reach out to their advocates within a reasonable time, and we will be sharing the links every day where the mobile traffic courts are operating so that those who will be charged can quickly contact their lawyers and get online in those courts that are going to be handling these traffic offenses.
Togo tigana nayo ritko rero abwatani ba Afresa Sako nigo bomerana n'abanchirire abo mucyo busongo anemono gusanga chinchira barachigo kinya obonchirire bwabo gwetera kwena na chilon irigo kinya ebyasara gose obonchirire bwabo uko nasomuliga boko igora ABC imeye county ya Kisii umusiyo Dr. Ber Odhiambo n'ababwatani bande kurase serikali ye county ya Kisii bakora n'umuwaziri w'ebintu bitwetanene umuske Cyrus Nyabicha nigo bayo umurobire yokoboko nabo yoko yotogya nakurira yokobwatirana erigo kinya ebirengo by'obugima nabo yigo bonjorera.
My name is Dr. Abeyo Diabo. I'm the chairman and CEO, co-founder of Afresa Sacco. Afresa is Africa Rebuilding Savings and Credit Cooperative. And today we are privileged to open our fourth main branch in Kisii County. Kisii County is the economic hub for Western region. And so this is a very, very important location for us. And for us to come to this part of the country, it means that we are already strategically placed to support our communities, basically the SMEs and the micros, in terms of access to finance, access to markets and skills, business skills.
SACCOs is the way to go. We are impressed for the start of this SACCO. I believe it will touch quite a number of people in a lower segment. And Kisii County is like an economic hub, as you rightly said, that businesses thrives in Kisii County, and people in Kisii County, they are hard-working people.
And we are looking now into the new year, 2026, to open satellite offices so that we can take the services closer to the people around the country. Not just the county, but around the country.
We encourage, as a government, we come in to give the conducive environment to do business, and that's what we're encouraging in terms of investment as we move forward. Indeed, we encourage others to come. You are coming to the environment which others are there. I believe you have something unique that you're bringing into our people to ensure that we can grow within this business environment and take advantage with the potential that Kisii have.
Na togo cia gukorera ekero abantu tiamate na boyo chukuru sigendate gochingira amate osama chibu ya matemiekira sikirigia kianda akejise nigo egatie chukuru cia banyene gose chi private cia kolia buya korwa cia korobia ase amachibu osasa matemu ayo abakagosoka ewiki yaita.
Julius Ocharo, the principal of the school. I talk about your man Mutangani, you have at point 66 out of 72. 66 out of 72, Gomoro Chechi point in any Jaderete, Eratungo and the Kyo. Togo to man of what my sense Kabisa, you have at point 28. Avana Vale Puro 36, that is the average.
Asama Jedanguru Kennedy Matara, a chairman ya board of management ya school ya Kenya Vingi. Di tangani ongwa kiranya sawa ito buyamono asobwaro watu rusiri. Igomkwira nilibia nyasaye na balimu bane ba Kenya Vingi asobwo obomo na abaibuli. Kwetani ayo abana be school ya Kenya Vingi. Baorokiri the role model Kiabono.
Roku Emily Onderi, Deputy Principal Kianya Vinge. Gento kiagalire school yetu yakolire buya number 1 no kubwaterana. Omoedi teacher ito balimu baito abaiboli na abana. Abana baito they are disciplined. As much as tore town school, abana baito ntora atwara mwana obeire no to chandire mono. And then abana baito they have been cooperating.
Iko tuwa gram jamano sa value bano kubwatera na baiboli in the board of management nero yagre tama tokeo aso ketara mya kabisa abana ba kwa the national schools what exceeding expectation ibara abana 10.
So God has seen us through. We are a very prayerful school. Abana baitobo kana mbamanyete mwalimu abo otabo wataanza na sala na tunamalizia sala. So we thank God for this far. Yes.
Mwanchimurigira chabto kirechitake Ikomi na ibere igore Chinsa Ikomi chabono morogoba ajine gatiari ogochkonyora ibere na boigo inye chobot kobwarero na redipo na sanya asenchira ere yoboikiranu gendra gutwara oborigereri borobia na boigo botweruru asimirobiri ya Getembe TV kobwate nchenguru kwa Catherine Nyaboga Vanessa Nyaboga kuroso muno abo imanyiriro Mike kuri studio kabere nero gotokonya kwa neke bone chibichechi na boiga Mario gingo ikirashira asenchira ere yoboikiranu borigereri borobia margo bomia tunyara kombera na rit korea akyo
esukuru ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College igego kwarigania ase intake ya January eyu ebwata chikosi ao bunabono Agricultural and Environmental Studies, Mechanical and Automotive Engineering, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning, Welding and Fabrication na wigo ase ensema ya Building and Civil Engineering nkwegeri bale Plumbing, Masonry, Carpentry and Joinery, Building Technology, Civil Engineering na wigo Water Engineering ase ensema ya Computing and Informatics nkwegeri bale ICT Operator, ICT Technician, Computer Packages, Cyber Security na wigo na Network System Administration ase ensema ya Electrical and Electronic Engineering nkwegeri bale Electrical Installation na wigo Electrical Engineering ase ensema ya Cosmetology nkwegeri bale Hairdressing wigo mbabwate Fashion Design ase Hospitality and Tourism nkwegeri bale Food Production yani Cookery na wigo Food and Beverage Production.
Asa Maria Ngorogu James Barari Nyakundi principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College eye gotoka Alimongoni, Kitutu Masaba North Sub-County, Kitutu Masaba Constituency, Nyamira County. Abana baino bali ba college school ya class 8 gose form 4 batagiye universities acha teyo babere isiko ekiagera boniga ase Kitutu Masaba ndobwate chikose zicheme kono cy'ububundi cyonsi. Abana ngwakana bali kibese ne serikali wetera the government scholarship nkwaye bali chiloni cyogo soma wetera help high education loans board ne kibese cyo mwana nkwaye wale kiri tutokoroka out of pocket ekyo mwana gotumia kumenye school urendagera na gwakane se nyumba komenya egento kende abana nkwaye bali chi constituency bursaries and even county government bursaries ekyo applications chirororo naba bunge unabono mu bungo Kitutu Masaba constituency bwana honorable Kilivu Gisairo we are committed sana aso go support abana bagocha Kitutu Masaba egende Tanganyika tabiri mwana ndo kwense gocha Kitutu Masaba we kagwe bursary in abana baito January intake negendereta abana bali bakoso school January mwakaribishwe ndogendereta na intake na application sinchigendereta
asamange nabo okubatalira ase school yiga kose obakirisi migwetara sinamba cyabo 0743480999 kose 0782490068